ACC Men's Emerging Teams Asia Cup 2023. It's India A versus Pakistan A.
So the news from the centre is India has won the toss and they are bowling first.
Pakistan A have one change being made. India A go in unchanged into the final. Played away in the air. And that's going to go the distance. The first 6 of the match. Down the ground. Mid-on is up. And it doesn't matter. Even if he had been on the boundary rope, he wouldn't have got to this.
Hammered away. That'll be a boundary. One bounce into the fence. Once again, a big hit from the right-hander.
Down the track. Long on is there, but he won't get to the ball. Beautifully struck. And what a way to bring up his half-century. He's got a bigger purpose at the back of his mind. They're looking for 2 here. And another 50. This time it's Sahibzada Farhan. Oh, how close is that? How close is that? This is the wicket. The breakthrough that India A were looking for. It's finally come about.
And that's a big shot once again. Sahibzada Farhan.
Indians are at the moment will be worried with the start. This is slip in the middle. That's unlucky. How unlucky is that? Just spoke of the captain. He brings the breakthrough for India A. Farhan, after a magnificent 65 of 62, is run out.
Oh, this could be a chance here. Has he latched on? And Parag. Well, this looks close. Well, out it is. Straight away plays a big shot. There's a fielder there. Taken by Harshit Rana. Gleefully accepted by the fielder at deep mid wicket. Oh, that could be close. And it is a wicket, is it? Gets the captain of the Pakistani side, Mohammad Haris, out leg before.
Success for Sindhu.
Tayyab Tahir uses his speed. Big swing of the bat. It's way up. It's going many a mile.
As we see another big hit from Tahir.
That's the 17th list A half century for Tayyab Tahir. What a fantastic knock under pressure.
Going for a big hit. He's got hold of that. That's a huge hit. This time on the leg side, he's got hold of it well enough. And that's a big 6.
Hit down the ground. And that's hit a fair distance. The 100 of the partnership comes up. And now he's looking for his 100 here as well. It's 100 for Tayyab Tahir in the final of this ACC Men's Emerging Teams Asia Cup 2023. A match-defining innings. Pulled away. High and handsome for 6. Down the ground. There's long on there. Gleefully accepted by Abhishek Sharma. Tayyab Tahir got a magnificent 100. He's out for 108. But what a knock this.
In the air, short extra cover fielder takes it. It's an easy catch and a brilliant delivery by Hangarekar outside the off stump. Inside edge and given out. This time trying to go over square leg outside the off stump, and Harshit Rana gets his man. Mumtaz gone for 13. Smashes it mid off up. Oh, that's a massive stroke. Another Yorker, flicks it towards square leg. Wasim Jr. maybe coming back for the second. And makes it easier. And that is a good score. 352 of 50 overs.
What an innings from the Pakistan A batters in the final against India A.
Nice three shot. Nicely played. That was a brilliant shot. Abhishek Sharma was not true to the stroke too early. Waited for it and placed it perfectly. Shot. What a shot. Still tickled with the boundary. Probably the shot of the day. Come down the track and over extra cover. This is good batting.
Taken on the full and he will get a boundary.
Doesn't seem so.
Oh, what have I done here? Sai Sudarshan going for a pull shot. It's a skyer to the keeper. Beaten by real pace was Sai Sudarshan.
Nikin Jose. This time around there's an appeal and it's been given. Taken by the keeper behind the stumps. Pulled away. And that should run away to the fence for 4. Sliced away. And that will get to the fence for 4.
Nice, good bowling.
50 for Abhishek Sharma. That's his second 50 in this edition of the tournament. Down the ground. More assured. One bounce and over.
Left arm Chinaman bowler, Mukim. And this time he rocks back onto the back foot and dispatches it to the boundary. Goes big and he gets good hold of it. Yes! Oh! Straight into the hands. A loose delivery fetches the wicket here. The lucky break that India did not want to happen.
30-yard circle. There's a fielder down at long off. Takes the catch. That's a very good catch that's been taken. And Nishant Sindhu will have to head back to the hut.
And what a day for Tayyab Tahir. 2 really good catches and a century. Completes the catch on the boundary.
Hit in the air. There is a boundary rider. And that is a big wicket. That is a big wicket for Pakistan A. Because it is the wicket of the India A captain Yash Dhol. In the air, down the throat of the fielder. At long off. Mehran strikes. And Pakistan A claim another wicket. Now Harshit Rana said, I've seen enough. And he's hit that big and long for 6.
Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful delivery to get it off a good batsman. And Mehran neatly sends off Riyan Parag.
Riyan Parag and bowled by the left-arm spinner Mehran.
Bowls the wrong one. And that's a massive hit. Outside edge, and this time Sufyan Mukim strikes with another wrong one.
He's bowled more of wrong ones to the right-handers, and that's the reason why he's beat the outside edge frequently.
Oh, he's cleaned him up. Hunger Gekar has been bowled by Iqbal.
Hunger Gekar comes on strike. He was expecting a shorter one. Arshad Iqbal goes full, goes through the gate. He means business.
And that's it! Pakistan have completed the job. They retain the title. It's a comprehensive performance from Pakistan A.
Pakistan defend their title in the emerging Asia Cup. Second team to be able to do that.
In their chase were bowled out for 224 of 40 overs. Abhishek Sharma getting a half century there. Mukim picking up 3 wickets and 2 wickets each for Wasim and Mehran. Pakistan A win by 128 runs.
To present the player of the match memento, I would request Mr. Ashley De Silva. It's none other than Tayyab Tahir. We have the award for the player of the tournament. To do the honors to present this, may I request Mr. Tusit Pereira, and this award goes to Nishant Sindhu of India A. कोई स्पेसिफिक गेम प्लान था आज दोनों भारतीय बैटर्स ओपनर्स के खिलाफ, खास तौर पे क्योंकि देखा था बैक ऑफ द लेंथ काफ़ी डिलीवरीज देखने को मिली? जी बिल्कुल, बॉलरों को इंडियन बैटर्स की वीडियो दिखाई थी और जिस तरह साई सुदर्शन और वो अभिषेक शर्मा खेल रहा था तो वो उनके मेन प्लेयर थे। तो तकरीबन 250 रन उन्होंने दोनों ने किए। तो हमने यही सोचा था कि अगर हम शुरू से 2-3 विकेट ले लें तो फिर इन पर प्रेशर आ जाएगा। इट्स सेलिब्रेशन टाइम फॉर द पाकिस्तान ए साइड। दे हैव बीन क्राउन्ड चैंपियंस हियर in 2023 of the ACC Men's Emerging Teams Asia Cup.
And Pakistan stamps their authority on this chapter of this great rivalry with a massive win of 128 runs in this final. Back-to-back titles for the emerging team of Pakistan.